Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Adaora. On today's video, I want to quickly share with you guys how I make dishwashing very interesting, stress-free, fun, without any boring moments at all. Please relax and keep on watching. I'm going to start with unboxing this product. This is a soap dispenser and a sponge holder from a brand called HP. I'm going to open up this product and show you guys what it looks like. I love that this soap dispenser comes with a sponge, and the sponge has the scoring side and the smooth side. The fact that this soap dispenser has also a sponge holder makes it very compact and helps you keep your space very organized. I love that it is very easy to push on. It has an effortless one-hand dispensing operation, and that makes it very easy for you to do your dishes. I love that the soap dispenser can contain up to 13 ounces of liquid soap, and you can use any liquid soap of your choice. The most interesting thing I love about this product is the fact that it dispenses the perfect amount of soap onto your sponge every time, and this can reduce wasted soap as it will always give you a considered amount each time. If you are interested in getting this product, I'll put the link in my description box and in the comment section. Feel free to check it out and get one for yourself, or even two for yourself. You can gift one out to your friend or your family. Now let's get to the gist. Most of you guys living abroad will relate to what I'm going to say now. Most people living abroad don't have help, so they do everything for themselves. Okay, most of them are their own cook, they are their own cleaners, they do everything, virtually everything for themselves. And dishwashing is one of those things that you have to do several times every day. Okay, and sometimes it gets so stressful, but for me, washing plates is very therapeutic, very calming and relaxing, and that's because of what I do whenever I'm washing my dishes. I use the time I do my dishes to interact with my friends. Sometimes I call them on the phone and I talk to them, I gist, I catch up, and I even forget that I'm even doing dishes. Other things I do are watching videos. I have a window opposite my sink. Okay, I have a window directly opposite where I'm standing to do dishes, so I normally place my phone there and I play a video on YouTube and I watch the video and I just get carried away and forget that I'm even working. Other things I do are meditating. Okay, I meditate, I reflect, I think about my life, I think about my career, my children, my just anything at all. If I have a party to plan, I'll be calculating, okay, what are we cooking, what are we doing? So that is the time I use to even think and meditate and reason everything out. Let me know in the comment section if you can relate to any of the things that I said, and let me know in the comment section if you find dishwashing very stressful or if you have your way around it. Let me know in the comment section. Please check out the link to this wonderful soap dispenser and sponge holder. You will like it very well. Okay, just check out the link, and it is so affordable as well. It's just $8 on Amazon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one.